Let's start with a blank template. Just drop the different pieces in and see what you have available. The header, you've got the text. You can define the background color. You've got animation effects, and you can add comments if you want. Let me close that up. The banner takes an image, which you can then send to a link. You can define the background color and the animation effects, and again, enable Facebook comments. The product image, you can give it a title, a description, upload an image, add a button, add the link where that button will take them to. You can add the featured image corner piece, define the background color, animation effects, and enable Facebook comments. A product video, again, an optional title, description, the video embed code like you'd get from YouTube or wherever your video is hosted. You can put a button on it. You can define where the button goes, define the background color if you want to change it, any animation effects. You can also enable comments. Let me close up these two so our workspace is easier to see. Text. You have the text content, which you can format, define the background color, animation effects, Facebook comment. You've got the raw HTML option. So you can put HTML code in. Again, background color, animation effects, enable comments. You've got your spacer, which you can put anywhere. It's a horizontal spacer. So you can define a horizontal line, single, double, or dotted, the height, and you can define the line color. You can use as many spacers as you want. Let me close that out. And the footer option, you've got your text, your background color, your animation effect, and your Facebook comments. So you pretty much have everything that you need between these items to be able to create any type of page that you want. Then you can rearrange them simply by dragging. You can change the size, the location, if you're going to put two pieces next to each other, then they need to be able to fit next to each other in the space allowed, or you would need to take and define a smaller area, utilize a smaller area, which would then allow you to bring in your other piece. So make the room, and then you can move it around. So this is the area where you would be modifying the actual layout. You can delete parts. Go to the bottom, there's a delete button. So you can actually delete any of the pieces that you don't want. You can modify them. You can modify their contents in this view, or you can save and preview and modify it in the preview mode. Again, in the preview mode, you can only modify the contents. You can't actually modify the layout or the spacing or the sizes. I haven't really added any content in this, so there's no real reason to save and preview it. But what I was trying to do was simply show you how to manipulate them, how to resize them, how to open and close them, and the fact that you can modify the contents, the location, the position, add, delete, move, change the spacing, etc. in this view. So get comfortable with making changes. If you are utilizing a template and you're making changes to the template, and then you decide you don't like the changes that you've made. Now, I hadn't actually saved it, so all I had to do was to refresh the page and the change disappeared. But if I had saved it, so if you reset it, just change the template to anything else and then change it back. And you'll see that the template has been reset to the way it was originally before you made the changes.